Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. Y'all already know what time it is. Tutorial today. Oh, this thing has an eco tag. Just learned something new about these. But anyways, let's get right to this video. So today I got a 2015 Buick Encore, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the AC condenser. I heard these have problems where the condenser's going bad or the condenser's leaking. So I'll show you how. I'm going to be showing you guys how to take the condenser off. Shouldn't be too hard. Unfortunately, we got to take the whole bumper off though, so it's going to be a little time consuming, but we're going to get it done the easy, quick way. Not just too hard for us, you feel me? We real mechanics over here. So yeah, I guess let me go ahead and start taking the bumper off. The bumper's simple, just like any other bumper. Take the front cover off, a couple screws in the front, the bottom cover, the screws in the fender well, and this will come right off. So I'm not really gonna do too much talking about how to take the bumper off. I did plenty of other videos with taking bumpers off, so this is Chevy, they're pretty much all the same. Buick and Chevy, same thing. I guess let's get into it. We'll go ahead and start taking this bumper down, and you guys are gonna watch me do that. Other side. Well, I'm still gonna take the tan out, but whatever. Alright, so mosquitoes are eating me alive right now. I need to go get some spray. Alright, y'all, so got those screws out the sides. Now I got to take my cover off the bottom because it's not going to move. It's covered. So I got to get these screws out. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. It should have been 6, but it's already broken. So I got 4 7mm under the bottom. I'm going to take those out real quick. Alright, so I think that should be it for my bottom screws. Gonna let it back down and see if I can get the bumper pulled out from the corners. Dang, something dropped right in my eye just now. Alright, now I got the car down. Let me adjust my camera a little bit. Alright, so what I just now did was took this piece right here off. It's, I'll show you what it is, right here. That lip has to come out so that you can pull the fender or the bumper out of the fender. Stupidest thing ever. I ain't never seen nothing like that. It's the weirdest bumper I ever taken off. Yeah, we got that part off. You gotta be really careful because I broke like 2 of them, but luckily, it's not that big of a deal. Now we got the bumper up. So, we go to this side and take that fender flare off too. I guess what you can call it a fender flare. How the hell did they do some dumb shit like this? Looks like it should just slide off. Hopefully it just slides off. If it don't, it's y'all fault. Alright, I guess it's not y'all fault. It did come off pretty easy. Alright, so where's my lights? Alright, so as you guys can see, this is the reason why we're changing the condenser. All the green, all the green, all the green. Good thing about this condenser is the dryer is connected to it, so if you change the condenser, you change the dryer too. That way, half the AC system's pretty much new. After all you got is lines and the compressor, but nobody really changes those until it's actually time. So let's hop into what I gotta do next. All right, so what we're gonna do next is, since we're already up here, our AC line is right there. Looks like a 13, should be. Let me take my line off of here. Should be 2 lines, I think. Oh, it's only 1 line, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my line off. It's bolted to the radiator, so I'm gonna take my screws out of there. Should be 4 of those. 2, 1, 2, and 2 at the bottom. And then I think I'm gonna take this plate up right here, and I should be able to pull it right up. Instead of taking all this front crap off, I'm not doing all of that. I'm gonna do this thing the easiest way so we can get done with this. I ain't trying to be doing this all day. I got 5 other cars to work on. Anyways, I wanna go ahead and take my lines off first. Should be a 13. Okay, so I got my line off. I'm just gonna take my screws out now, my top screws. Should be 10s. It's actually only 3. And unfortunately, the 3rd one's right behind this freaking bar right here. So I gotta take this bar off anyway. I'm gonna just get a 10 wrench. Alright you guys, so this would have been a good idea to take off on any other car because it normally comes off, but they put screws in here and they still welded it, so you still can't get this part off. So that was an epic fail. And instead I just got a wrench and put my wrench in there and just took that last screw. I did it through the bottom though, so it's easy to get to it through the bottom. And then took my top plate off like I said I was gonna do anyway. And now I think it should just come out of there. Should. Take the plates off right there. Everything is exposed. Just pull right out. Don't do this. Oh, this bottom cover has to come off too. I'm so sick of it. This little flimsy thing right here. Alright, so that covers out. Now we should just pull out. I'm not taking these headlights up. Voila. There we go. So this one looks like it's leaking at the bottom right there, instead of out of where I thought it was leaking from. So that was definitely bad. All right, so let's get the new one in. All right, so now that I showed you guys all the steps on how to get it out, it's all just reverse process. So I'm just going to get the new one and put it in. You guys gonna watch me put it in. You know, the same old same. All right, so here's my new one, fresh and so clean. Feel me? Everything looks about right. Let's get this bad boy in there. Actually, before I finish this, what I want to do, it's raining, sorry it's loud, but before I finish this, what I want to do is put Freon in it right now, or evac it and put a little bit of Freon in it just to make sure that we don't have any leaks between here before I put it all back together. Because I don't want to put it all back together and then I found out there's a leak somewhere and I take it all back up again. So let me do that real quick. Alright y'all, I'm back now. It just finished stormy. When I tell you stormy, I'm talking about thundering hard, shaking the whole building. Y'all would never ever heard nothing I was saying with it raining like that. So anyways, I'm back to evacing this thing. I'm just let the system dry and see if it stays at 0, then we should be good. So that's it for about 5 minutes. Let's let the system dry. see you guys after. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes. All of my gauges are staying at 0 or negative 20. So that means everything's good. I guess I can finish putting the bumper back on now. Let's get it. All right, you guys, so I just went ahead and put everything back together. It's too much to be trying to sit here and record, so I put everything back together. What I'm gonna do now is put some Freon in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the car up now. Turn the AC on full blast. Put some Freon in it. Go check it. It's cold in there to me. Let me go get my thermometer. All right, y'all, so that's pretty much it right there. Kind of loud in here. Everything is done. Everything is back together the right way. AC blows ice cold. And I'm pretty sure my customers are going to be very happy with this job. So thank you all for watching as usual. That is how you do an AC condenser on a 2015 Buick Encore, whatever, however you say that crap. Drop a like, please. Comment down below. Let me know how y'all feel about the video. If y'all have any questions, y'all know everybody already know that y'all are free to let me know how y'all feel. I always respond back to people. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.